Cardano value equivalent to 7.1280 rands a coin. The present cost range, 7.01587.2111. The earlier day close, 6.9943. The change was plus 0.1337, plus 1.91%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 7.00 rands, high 7.49, low 6.51. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost 7.32 rands, high 7.83, low 6.81. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 7.22 rands, high 7.73, low 6.71. Cardano figure on Thursday, May 18, cost 7.46 rands, high 7.98, low 6.94. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 7.37 rands, high 7.89, low 6.85. In multi-week Cardano figure on Monday, May 22, cost 7.21 rands, high 7.71, low 6.71. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 7.16 rands, high 7.66, low 6.66. Cardano figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost 6.82 rands, high 7.30, low 6.34. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 6.97 rands, high 7.46, low 6.48. Cardano figure on Friday, May 26, cost 6.89 rands, high 7.37, low 6.41. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 6.93 rands, high 7.42, low 6.44. Cardano figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost 6.97 rands, high 7.46, low 6.48. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost 6.84 rands, high 7.32, low 6.36. Cardano figure on Thursday, June 1, cost 6.79 rands, high 7.27, low 6.31. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 6.78 rands, high 7.25, low 6.31. In 3 weeks Cardano figure on Monday, June 5, cost 6.72 rands, high 7.19, low 6.25. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 6.79 rands, high 7.27, low 6.31. Cardano figure on Wednesday, June 7, cost 6.91 rands, high 7.39, low 6.43. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 7.07 rands, high 7.56, low 6.58. Cardano figure on Friday, June 9, cost 7.06 rands, high 7.55, low 6.57. In about a month Cardano cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 6.95 rands, high 7.44, low 6.46. Cardano figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost 7.05 rands, high 7.54, low 6.56. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset cost at 7.23 rands, excessive cost 7.98, while low cost 6.34. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.10. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.84, change for May 5.4%. Cardano conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 6.84 rands, excessive cost 7.56, while low cost 5.99. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.76. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.64, change for June 2.9%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 6.64 rands, exorbitant cost 7.25, while low cost 6.31. The found the middle value of cost 6.75. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.78, change for July 2.1%. Cardano estimate for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 6.78 rands, exorbitant cost 8.00, while low cost 6.78. The found the middle value of cost 7.26. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7.48, change for August 10.3%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 7.48 rands, exorbitant cost 7.62, while low cost 6.62. They found the middle value of cost 7.21. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7.12, change for September 4.8%. Cardano estimate for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 7.12 rands. Exorbitant cost 8.84, while low cost 7.12. They found the middle value of cost 7.84. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 8.26, change for October 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 8.26 rands. Excessive cost 8.26, while low cost 6.45. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.48. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.94, change for November 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for December 2023. Before all else cost at 6.94 rands. Excessive cost 6.94, while low cost 5.42. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.28. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.83, change for December 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at 5.83 rands. Excessive cost 5.87, while low cost 5.11. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.58. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.49, change for January 5.8%. Cardano conjecture for February 2024. Before all else cost at 5.49 rands. Excessive cost 6.08, while low cost 5.28. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.63. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.68, change for February 3.5%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 5.68 rands. Excessive cost 5.68, while low cost 4.70. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.28. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.05, change for spring 11.1%. Cardano conjecture for April 2024. At the outset cost at 5.05 rands. Excessive cost 6.20, while low cost 5.05. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.52. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.79, change for April 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at 5.79 rands. Excessive cost 5.79, while low cost 4.52. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.24. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 4.86, change for May 16.1%. ZAR to ADA swapping scale equivalent to 0.1403 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1387 minus 0.1425. The earlier days nearby 0.1430. Change for now 0.0027, 1.89%. ZAR to ADA cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to